tell yez, Mr. Oliver, I once shoved an M80 up my nose to impress the lady types.
Oh, that's nothing. I once ate an entire bowl of M200s at my family reunion.
Oh, yeah? Well, I married an M300.
They don't make a 300.
Oh. 250?
No.
Elephant?
Up.
Hey guys, happy fireworks! Percy, that's not what the holiday is called.
Emily's still out of town for the summer, eh, Percy?
No, what are you talking about? Yes, Donald, I'm still out of town. You gorgeous hunk of an engine.
Oh, I thank ye, Cardboard Emily.
Hey, Cardboard Emily, you want in on some of this action?
No, you're disgusting. You have creepier eyebrows.
Hey! I can't believe she said I have creepier eyebrows.
She has a point.
Hey, don't be taking sides, Donald. I don't want a reenactment of that season 6 episode.
I hope I'm not late.
Don't worry, Percy. They haven't even started yet. Wait, Toby, you're selling snacks?
Yep, gonna make a living somehow.
What about your branch line?
Dan's covering for me.
Ow.
What's taking these fireworks guys so long anyways? I got expresses to pull. Ugh. I don't know what I was thinking when I agreed to let you make your homemade fireworks, Alfie.
I was too excited to concentrate. I just wanted to hear the oohs and ahs.
Don't worry, we'll get to the oohing and ahhing soon enough. But first, we gotta go straight to Plan G.
Man, I knew I should have just pulled that goods train with Duke. Wonder how he's doing anyway. Ow.
Whoa!
It's dazzle amazing.
This is perfect. This is perfect.
I think fireworks promote violence.
Shut up, Kevin. Duncan, what happened to you? An American.